Your phone loses battery fast when apps keeps running, screen time stays high, and system features stay active. These steps controls the drain. You get longer use, you get stable performance, you can apply everything on your phone. So let's start the video. Step 1. Stop background activity. Open settings, then open apps. Pick heavy apps like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Maps. Open battery, select restricted. This blocks unnecessary background work. Apps will not run when you are not using them. Step 2. Control screen usage. Open settings, open display. Reduce brightness to a comfortable level. Turn on adaptive brightness. And open screen timeout, set it to 30 seconds. The display uses the most power, lower brightness, and shorter screen time increase battery life. Step 3. Use battery saver mode. Open settings, open battery, turn on battery saver. This limits background tasks, it reduces animations, it controls location usage, it keeps the phone focused on active tasks only. Let me give you some extra improvements. Turn off your Bluetooth when not needed. Turn off your Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning in location setting. Remove or disable unused apps. Turn off always on display if your phone has it. Use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data for long sessions. Delete heavy widgets from the home screen. Keep charge between 30 and 80%. Use original or certified chargers. Apply these steps today. Your battery lasts longer, your phone stays cool, your performance stays steady in daily use. So take care of yourself, like, share and subscribe.